Hello friends and welcome to the Tech World Place. In this video we are going to learn about the sum formula or sum function, like how can you sum up the numbers. Okay, if you remember, to add two numbers we use this formula equals to, and first we select the source cell 1 and then we put the plus addition, and then we used to select the source cell 2. Once you enter, we will be getting the results that is only for these two. If you see, like here I want to add all these numbers, okay, from 172 all the way down to 477, and I want to add one more range also, like from range C 47 to 98. Okay, so to use this traditional formula, so to add this, like we have to keep on adding one by one cell, which is a difficult job. So for this we have a formula called sum. Okay, using sum you can sum up all the numbers in a selected range or given range. So how can you use the sum formula? So as you already know, like to write any formula, first you have to start with the equals to button, and then in our case we want to sum, we want to use the sum formula, so you have to type sum sum. Okay, and once you type the sum formula, the formula is giving you the information called add all the numbers in the range of cell. That means whatever the selected range that user input will give, okay, it sum up all the numbers. Okay, and then start with the parenthesis, open parenthesis, and select the range that you wanted to, and then close parenthesis. And once you hit the enter button, so you can see the sum of all these numbers from 170 to all the down to 477. Similarly, if you want to add the numbers from column B and then column C, how can you do that? Okay, let's see. Again you have to open the formula with parenthesis. Now you can select the complete column like B to C. You can see here, like I have highlighted, like B to C, so it will always add all the numbers from the B column and then C column, and it will give you the results, that is 2432. So this 2432 means sum of all these numbers. Okay, and there is one more method to calculate the sum of these formulas, that is auto sum. You can see under editing tab, you can see under editing tab, you can see this auto sum with sigma symbol, that automatically sum up all the numbers in the range. Okay, so here the specialty of this formula is you don't need to mention, like as a user we don't need to mention any range. Okay, let's see how this will work. Okay, see in the cell B14, okay, column B and the row number 14, I wanted to add all the numbers from here. So how can I do that? Okay, so simply I can come here, like I can click on the auto sum, so that will sum up all the numbers. Okay, and once you hit that button, so it will give you the 1467. You can see the results, like initially we have done the same one, but if you see here, like this has changed 4079 because in this cell, okay, it is adding this also, this number B14. Okay, and next thing is, like in the similar way, if you want to add like this same, you can come here and you can do the auto sum, that will sum up all the numbers and give you the result. Okay, that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in my next video.